Hello everyone, I'm Orlando Valdez and this is the first video for the first activity of the unit number 1 of English Advanced Week. In this activity I need to recite some objects or 5 objects. For example, what is your kids? My kids is under the table. So go ahead. My your kids are on the desk. My cell phone is behind the laptop. Mm, My power bank is on my PC computer. My USB memory is in the laptop. And to finish, my cell phone is on my bed. This is all. Thank you for listening.